Good morning, this is Dr. Trevor from Physics This Week. Today I am going to talk a little bit about deflate gate and atmospheric pressure and temperature and volume. And what I'm going to do is fill up this regular water bottle. It holds 25.3 fluid ounces, or about 750 milliliters of water. I'm not going to fill it up that far. I'm only going to put a little bit in it, and this is tap water. Before I started the video, I did run my sink for about 30 seconds, so it got nice and warm. And you can see here with the water that it's nice and warm, and it's actually started to condense a little bit on the top of the bottle. And you can see there is a little bit of play in here. Not quite as much as a fully inflated football, but it is sealed pretty tightly. Now what I'm going to do is walk this out the front door, and out front of my house right now, according to my weather app, it is 7 degrees. You can see my windows fogged up a little bit just from opening up the door. And I'm going to step outside and let the bottle sit for a little bit. And I'm not going to speed this up or anything, but if you look at the size of the bottle, it is starting to contract on itself. If you take a look at the top, it's really getting steamy inside. And if you listen, you can actually hear it starting to crumple. So what's happening is the gas that was inside the bottle is actually starting to contract because, as the coach said, in cold temperatures, the air actually will, if it's caught in a volume, will actually start to contract because the pressure will go down, and the atmospheric pressure is going to push in on the outside. So you can see the bottle is really starting to crumple up as we go. I'm going to let it go for a little bit longer. Now the temperature difference here is actually pretty substantial. My tap water is generally about 110, 120 degrees. I didn't leave it run tremendously long, so it's probably not quite up to that. But we've got a very high drop here, almost 97 degrees, or excuse me, almost 93 degrees, and we're getting a pretty impressive volume there. So it looks like the ball is deflating, or excuse me, the bottle is deflating.